Is your Vizio TV showing a perfect picture but absolutely no sound? Don't worry, you're not alone. And yes, there's a fast way to fix it. Welcome back to Tech Vibes, your go-to place for quick and practical tech fixes that actually work. So here's what's happening. When your Vizio TV has picture but no sound, it's usually not random. It can be a hardware glitch, audio board issue, loose connections, or incorrect internal settings. The good news, you can fix most of these yourself without replacing the TV. Let's get straight to it. Step 1. Power cycle the TV properly. Unplug it from the wall. Hold the power button on the TV for 15 seconds. Wait 1 full minute. Plug it back in and turn it on. This resets internal components. Step 2. Check external audio devices. If you're using a soundbar or receiver, disconnect it completely. Then test the TV speakers alone. Sometimes the TV gets stuck sending audio externally. Step 3. Inspect the audio output settings. Go into your TV menu and make sure speakers are set to on and not external or auto. Step 4. Do a factory reset. This clears any hidden software conflicts. Go to System Settings and reset the TV. Yes, you'll need to set it up again, but it fixes deep glitches. Step 5. Check HDMI ARC port. If you were using ARC, unplug the HDMI cable and try a different port. Faulty ARC communication can mute sound entirely. Step 6. Open the back panel carefully. Only do this if you're comfortable. Look for loose ribbon cables connected to the audio board. Gently reseat them. Step 7. Inspect the speaker wires. Make sure they are firmly connected to the internal speakers. Loose wiring is a common cause of silent output. Step 8. Test voltage on the audio board. If you have a multimeter, check if the board is receiving power. No power means the board is likely faulty. Step 9. Replace the audio board. If everything else looks fine, the audio IC or board may be damaged. These parts are affordable and easy to swap with basic tools. Step 10. Update firmware manually. Sometimes sound bugs come from outdated firmware. Install the latest version using a USB drive if needed. Here's a pro tip. Plug in headphones to the TV's audio jack. If you hear sound there but not from speakers, your speakers or internal amp are the problem. If there's still no sound, it's definitely the audio board. That's it. Fast, practical, and effective. If you try these steps and still have issues, drop a comment below. I'll personally reply within 1 hour and help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more quick fixes like this. Stay smart, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.